Potato Poppito went to the town, wore a cap and a scarf hanging down, carried a little shopping bag in his hand, walking proud like he owned the land. Radish said, "Hey buddy, what's new?" Potato smiled, "I'm smart, it's true." Tomato laughed and Chili screamed, "Run, it's the veggie hero we dreamed." Ladyfinger giggled, "Let's make a movie." Carrot jumped in, "Let's take a selfie." Potato shouted, "I'm a superstar, I'm the superhero of the Veggie Bazaar." He brought some dates in sunny heat and secretly munched on a jelly sweet. Mom saw him and shouted, "Oh no, your naughty tricks are starting to show." He came back home with heavy feet, brought burgers and shot for a treat. Dad asked, "What is all this, dear?" Potato said, "Just spreading good cheer." Potato Poppito, everyone's friend,